Hello and welcome back to Longswitch Academy. This is our how to series where we talk about how to navigate through our platform. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates. To visit our website, you can search longswitchacademy.com on your system browser. Today we will see how to navigate to our course section on our platform. Here by clicking on the courses, you will be redirected to the featured courses of this month. Here by clicking on the course, you will be redirected to the detail page of the course. You can get the overview and curriculum of the courses, where you can get all the episodes. Here by clicking, you will be redirected to the Longswitch Academy YouTube channel. Here are the other details of these courses. Here you can share and get connect with us on LinkedIn, X, and WhatsApp. You can drop your feedback on the comment section by logging to our website. If you have liked our content, you can support us by giving small donation here. That's it. If you have any doubts, let us know in the comment section. Until then, keep learning and keep growing with Longswitch Academy. Thank you.